Welcome to the Bone Wars video tutorial. The Bone Wars is a two-player hot seat strategy game. The players take the role of Othno Marsh or Edward Cope and try to publish the most impressive fossils in order to become the most famous paleontologist. First, let's talk about the user interface. In the top corners of the UI, you have your player icons, Marsh on the left, Cope on the right. You'll also find a green and yellow box next to these icons. The green box is your current funds. This is money used to purchase new dig sites, additional workers, or to pay for unexpected events which may occur during the course of the game. The yellow box, on the other hand, is how much fame you have obtained from publishing fossils. The players with the most fame after 8 rounds wins the game. Also at the top of the user interface, you'll find your workers. The small workers allow you to excavate and analyze fossils. You may have up to 4 additional workers, but keep in mind that you must pay for them at the end of each round. Each worker costs $2 per round. The larger Marsh and Cope worker may choose from several other actions, such as hiring additional workers, purchasing a new dig site, writing grants to obtain more money, or publishing a fossil. Down the sides of the user interface is your fossil bank. This is where your excavated fossils will go. In between each player's fossil bank is the dig site map. Dig sites are how you'll excavate fossils. The red and blue flags indicate which player owns that specific dig site. Red is Marsh, blue is Cope. This is also indicated by the M and C in the center of the flag. The bottom of the UI is where fossils go once they are published. Now that you're familiar with the layout of the user interface, let's talk about analyzing and publishing fossils. When you have a fossil in your fossil bank, it is able to be analyzed. Analyzing a fossil reveals the quality or value of that specific fossil. This is indicated by stars. 4 stars is the highest quality a fossil may have. It is important to remember that fossils of the same type and lesser quality of already published fossils cannot be published themselves. When you publish a fossil, you earn fame equal to the quality of that fossil. If you are the first to publish that fossil type, you earn 1 bonus fame. Throughout the course of the game, players will encounter random events which can affect Marsh, Cope, or both players. These events may cost money, award money, or give players the opportunity to purchase a fossil from a fossil hunter. When the fossil hunter appears, players negotiate between each other to see who is willing to pay the most for it. Once an amount has been decided upon, the amount is entered and the portrait of the purchasing player must be selected. That fossil will then appear in the purchasing player's fossil bank. This video has provided an overview of the game's interface, core concepts, and some of the events that you will encounter while playing the Bone Wars. Further questions or comments can be submitted on our blog at bonewarsproject.blogspot.com or on our Twitter @BoneWarsProject.